like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. You could save 15% in 15 minutes or less. Mayhem is waiting around every corner. You're in good hands. Likely you have heard all of these slogans from different car insurance companies, all claiming to be the best for you. They want your business. They want you to enroll in a policy. But who is the best car insurance provider? Our insurance experts at FreeAdvice.com have looked into this and have come up with a review of the best car insurance providers in the country. And we're going to look at some of the top contenders today. First of all, let's look at Erie Insurance. Erie Insurance tends to perform very well in customer satisfaction surveys. They pride themselves in creating relationships with their customers. They are prompt on paying claims. Customers tend to be very happy with the service that they receive with Erie Insurance. It's a great company. The greatest problem with that company, though, is that they are only available in limited number of states. They're not available in all 50 states. They started in Erie, Pennsylvania, and they grew from there, but it's still a smaller range of states that they provide policies for. So it's not available to anybody. But if you're living in an area, in a state where they offer coverage, you should check them out. And then let's look at Allstate. This is another great company. They tend to have higher premiums than a lot of their competition, but they have really great discounts. So that can take that high initial premium and really bring it down into a competitive level with many other insurers. They have several programs that will help you save a lot. Their DriveWise program is their driver monitoring program where they collect information about your driving habits based on what you're actually doing. They're using an app to monitor your habits. And as a result, you may get a discount. Another interesting thing that they have that you won't find with a lot of other insurers is a rewards program based on challenges in their DriveWise program. By completing these challenges of safe driving activities, you can earn points, and then you can use those points for a variety of things, including dining, hotel stays. There's just a lot of different things you can use those points for. So Allstate, great for their discounts. State Farm, one of the largest insurers, they have so many options. They are the best if you are looking for options because they have it all. They have insurance options from car insurance that we're talking about today. They have health insurance, business insurance, umbrella insurance. They have just about every kind of insurance you could think of. They also offer banking options, investment options. They have so many options. State Farm tends to have very competitive rates. They're usually on the lower end, below average for most customers in most states for their premiums. And they have, for their auto insurance, they have a lot of options like rideshare coverage for people that drive for rideshare companies. They have rental reimbursement coverage. So if you are driving on a road trip and your car breaks down, they will pay for a rental car and even costs associated with not being able to drive your own car, like hotel and food, things like that. They will also provide some coverage for that. And then USAA, they are an excellent company for people that are in the military or if your parents were in the military, you may be eligible. The biggest downside to USAA is that they don't provide coverage to anybody except those in the military. So otherwise, they would probably be the number one company, but they're just not available to everybody. But they have excellent customer service, usually the best or right up there in competition with the best for customer service. They have low rates, typically the lowest rates, or very competitively priced with those who offer the lowest rates. So USAA, excellent option. If you're in the military or you're eligible because you have a family member in the military, you should at least check it out. And if you're not happy with the car insurance rates that you are paying right now, you should compare rates. Head on over to FreeAdvice.com, enter your zip code into the search bar, and you will get a collection of quotes. It's so convenient. It's free. You just enter your zip code, some other information as it prompts. You don't have to make phone calls all afternoon to find who the best insurer is for you. You can compare multiple quotes at once just by heading over to our site. Let's talk about Amica. They are rated the best insurer overall. They make it really easy to understand what kind of coverage they offer and what kind of coverage you need, what is nice to have, and what's just extra special. So they categorize coverages by coverages that protect yourself, like liability insurance, medical payments, personal injury protection, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. They have another designation of types of coverage, those that protect your car. In that is comprehensive insurance, collision coverage. If your car is damaged, those are the coverages you need to get your claim paid on your car. And then they have a premium coverage option that you can opt for, and that's your most comprehensive type of coverage. It includes glass replacement. It includes rental car reimbursement, new car replacement coverage. It's really a very all-inclusive type of policy, and it's easy to get. Instead of adding on coverage and this coverage and that coverage, it's all included in that premium coverage package. So we've looked at some of the best characteristics of the best insurance companies, but insurance is very tailored to the individual. So just because one company is best for one person doesn't mean it's best for you. The only way to know is to look at quotes for yourself, compare coverage options for what you need, compare rates for people in your age group, all those factors about yourself and who you are and your driving habits. They all play a role in what you're going to pay for premiums. So to help you get started, head to FreeAdvice.com. Check out our comparison tool. You can enter your zip code into our search bar and get car insurance quotes to compare by entering your information one time and getting multiple quotes. It's free, it's easy, you might as well do it and see how much you could save. And don't forget, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/FreeAdvice, where you can find more money-saving tips and great information to get the insurance you need at the best price.